Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I decorated my house for fall, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And this video is a collaboration with Juliette at JullieSimplyLove. You guys need to go check out her videos and check out her channel. She has some amazing content, and she just has a beautiful eye for decor, and she's just really talented. So you guys, I will have a link in the description as well as a pinned comment for her video, so make sure you go check out her video and her fall home tour as well. So starting off in the kitchen area, I pretty much just added pumpkins all over my house. I have these two pumpkins from Homegoods, this candle also that I got from Homegoods, and the sign that says "Count Your Blessings" I got from AC Moore. This blue pumpkin is on the other side of my counter, and I added some greenery at the bottom, and it's from Homegoods. On my island, I added a little cake tray for treats like muffins and whatnot, donuts for the fall and winter so we can get fat. And I left my usual floral arrangement, but I also added this two-tone pumpkin that I thought went really well with the brown and white that was going on in that area. Now this isn't fall related, but I wanted to show you guys how I have some of my stuff organized in my kitchen. And if you're interested in seeing a kitchen organization video / tour where I will be organizing some cabinets and show you what's already done, let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. To the coffee station, I have a detailed video that shows how I organized and decorated this, so I will definitely link that down below for you guys if you're interested in seeing it in detail. But I just added some pumpkins, some floral, as well as some treats, and changed out some of the canisters and reorganized the drawers. And for some of you that were asking where this buffet / dresser is from, it's from Wayfair, and I will have it linked below. Now on to the dining table. I really didn't do too much on it. I added two pumpkins, and I'm thinking of adding a centerpiece in the middle. I didn't do anything else because we use the dining room table every single day, and I have 3 children, so needless to say I can't put too many decorations or tablescapes on here. So I kept it to a minimum. In the living room, I added a floral arrangement on top of the mantle, and it's actually individual pieces that I gathered together to make into a garland, and I added some pumpkins and some little picks and things from the Dollar Tree just to make it look fuller. And the 2 pumpkins in the end are from AC Moore. Everything on my Ottoman / coffee table is from Homegoods. That large mirror tray I DIY'd, and I will link that video for you guys as well. This pumpkin is from Homegoods, and that's pretty much all I added on my coffee table. Fireplace, I had so much floral from last year where I was more leaning towards the warmer orangey colors, so I just put everything together and made a big arrangement around my fireplace, and then I added the sign that says "Gather" next to it. I also muted it down with some flowers from the Dollar Tree that were white so it wouldn't look so bright orange. On On the side, I have this credenza, and I just added these 2 glass pumpkins and these 2 little pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I just like I said, pumpkins everywhere. It's pumpkin season for me, literally. And I had a couple of mini wreaths that I got from AC Moore, and I added those in my big leaf tray. Over here on my end tables in the living room, I added these glass pumpkins that I got from Burlington, as well as some greenery at the bottom. All the greenery that you will see is actually from Amazon, and I will also link that for you guys if you're interested. And I pretty much use it throughout the year because I feel like they're all season. Over here I have my Cinderella pumpkin. It's pink and it's glittery and it's so pretty and ornate. Definitely like one of my favorites. It's just so beautiful. I added that one next to the window area on a little side table that I got from Homegoods, and the pumpkin also is from Homegoods. In my office area, I really didn't do too much. I literally added 3 pumpkins and some greenery, and I also added a candle to just give that fall vibe, that fall feeling. And I light it pretty much every night when I'm working in my office, and I definitely enjoy having that there. It's still a work in progress. I have some pictures still on the floor that I haven't hung up, and some bare walls that I need to work on, but it's coming along nicely. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen the saga of this room. That's supposed to be my formal dining room, but we really don't need that in my family, and it's not really functional for us to have a formal dining room. And I decided to make it into my office, and it used to be an Amazon receiving room, boxes everywhere all the time. I looked a hot mess right by the front door, but I finally got it together, and I'm really liking how it's coming along. That pretty much concludes my fall home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I pretty much went pumpkin crazy this year. I don't know why, but that's what I was in the mood for, and I think everything looks great. It makes me feel really nice, and fall is one of my favorite seasons, like a lot of other people. And yeah, so I thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, like, and share. I will talk to you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.